In this lecture, we will focus on voice control, modulation, and expressive delivery, key elements that define how a speaker captures and holds an audience's attention. A well-controlled voice, when combined with effective body language, strengthens a speaker's presence. Many great speakers master these techniques to make their messages more engaging. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to adjust tone, pitch, and volume for an engaging delivery, how to use body language to support your message, strategies for overcoming nervous habits that affect delivery, the fundamentals of voice modulation. Voice modulation involves adjusting pitch, tone, and volume to make speech more engaging and persuasive. According to the art of public speaking, voice is one of the most powerful tools a speaker can develop. A well-modulated voice can convey authority, warmth, and enthusiasm. Key elements of voice modulation. Pitch. Varying between high and low tones creates emphasis and avoids monotony. A deep, resonant pitch often conveys authority, while higher pitches can indicate excitement or urgency. Tone. The emotional quality behind your voice. A warm tone builds connection, while a serious tone signals importance. Volume. Adjusting loudness to match the message. Speaking loudly for emphasis and lowering volume for intimacy creates variety in speech. Pace. The speed of speech affects comprehension. A moderate rate of 150-160 words per minute is recommended for clear speech. Exercises to improve modulation. Read a sentence in different tones, neutral, excited, and serious, to understand how vocal variations change meaning. Record yourself delivering a passage and listen for monotony or excessive pitch variation. Practice pausing strategically to add weight to key points. The role of body language in expressive delivery. A speaker's physical presence is just as important as vocal delivery. Talk Like TED highlights that engaging speakers use gestures, posture, and facial expressions to reinforce their words. Key aspects of body language, gestures, should be purposeful and match the speech's content. Overuse can be distracting. Facial expressions must align with the tone of the message. A neutral expression while delivering an inspiring speech creates a disconnect. Posture. An upright stance conveys confidence. Avoid slouching or crossing arms, which can appear defensive. Eye contact maintains connection with the audience. Looking down at notes too often weakens engagement. Exercises to improve body language. Practice delivering a short speech while recording yourself. Assess how facial expressions and gestures align with the message. Observe professional speakers and note their use of nonverbal communication. Perform a speech using exaggerated gestures, then adjust them to a natural level. Overcoming nervous habits and fear. Stage fright can cause a speaker to rush, fidget, or use filler words such as and like. The art of public speaking emphasizes that the best way to manage nervousness is through repeated practice and exposure to audiences. Common nervous habits and solutions. Speaking too fast. Slow down by taking deliberate pauses. Fidgeting. Keep hands relaxed and gestures intentional. Excessive fillers. Replace with a brief pause. Avoiding eye contact. Focus on different audience members instead of looking down. Strategies to reduce anxiety. Deep breathing exercises before speaking. Visualization. Imagine delivering a confident speech. Practicing in front of smaller groups before larger audiences.